Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my social media planner. That is the Encourager. And we're planning for the week of March 16th through the 22nd. So it is the first official week of spring. And of course, I'm going to be using flowers. Springtime is my favorite time. And it means flowers, flowers, flowers. So I'm actually filming this a couple weeks ahead of time, just because I know you guys are depending on me to get some videos out for you, and I really don't know what all I'm going to be doing in the next couple weeks. So today is actually March 5th, but I want to use some flowers from Fun Florals, and then I'm also using, where did it go? Oh, my spring sticker book. So this is the new spring sticker book. And let's see, so like my vertical boxes I got out of here, the washi came from here, and these rainbows, this little quote, little clover leaves, and this Hello Spring all came out of this spring sticker book. There's tons of cute little stickers in here. So I'm going to start down here in my corner as I usually do, and I'm going to use this pink and purple polka dotted spring vibe sticker. So we're just going to cover up random acts of kindness. And then, let's see, let's go ahead and put this washi down, because this is kind of a pain to get down. It's so skinny, kind of hard to deal with. And I like to start in my corners, because I have a hard time lining it up with the rounded edges. All right. And then this one. So I'm going to have to round this one off on the corner there once I get to this side. And then all I'm going to do is just fill in with some boxes, some more decoration, and of course some flowers. So let's go ahead and round off this little edge here. See if I can actually do that. There we go. Okay. All right, what I wanted to do with this teal color polka dot is cut it diagonally and use it as a backdrop like you've seen me do before. It's been a while, but I've done it before. So let me get all these sticker parts off of here. Let's cut this diagonally. And it's okay if this is crooked, because it's going to be behind another sticker, so you won't be able to tell. And I just thought it would be a cute backdrop for these two kind of quote stickers. So let's see. Where do I want to put the first one? Maybe. All right, y'all. So my phone rang and cut me off. That was actually Ganon's grandma. So talking about things that we're going to be getting done this weekend. So I really don't remember what I've said and what I've told you. So bear with me here. I'm telling y'all, riding the struggle bus. I think what I was going to say is I was going to come up here with a box and just kind of decorate. I really don't put a whole lot in this planner. So I don't need a whole lot of room to write on each day. This is not my catch-all. This is just for social media. So the main things that I write down are like my stats, and then if I have like a big to-do. So if you want to decorate like this, instead of putting, like if you need room to write, instead of putting a full box that's filled in, you could actually come in with like a one of these boxes and put here so that you can still write and have decoration behind it. So just to give you an idea, if you do need more room to write, because I really don't. I want to slide that over just a little bit. I don't like that. So let's try that again. I think I need to just, what do I need to do here, y'all? What am I doing wrong? I don't like the way that's angled like that. But let's go with it. Let's just scoot it over some, because I do want to be able to see my little polka dots back there. Yeah, that looks better. All right, now I'm just going to put this today down here in this corner, and then just come decorate around it with some flowers. So I think I'll take this arrangement here, and maybe I'll just cut this in half, because y'all know I like to spare my flowers. So I got little sticker pieces all over my scissors. Let's just kind of decorate around the side here. I gotta get this thing off my finger. Okay, like maybe down here at the bottom. And then we're gonna put some rainbows over here on this side too. So springtime is flowers and rainbows. I cut that so crooked, mercy. Oh, you know what? I've got a rainbow here. So I'm not gonna put another rainbow. We're not even gonna do that. Oh, phooey. You know what I was gonna do? I was gonna put some of these little clovers on the 17th for St. Patrick's Day. So I can still put those like right here, and that's still cute. All right, let's move on to the next page. Now I do want to use the rest of my polka dots, and I also want to use this sticker that says "Give me all the flowers." So I'm thinking if I put that down here, maybe put this up here, maybe here. Yeah, let's do that. So let's go ahead with this up here in this top part of Saturday. I'm just trying to like equally space out everything so that it's not all bunched together. And let's see, how do I want to do this? Maybe come over a little bit onto Friday. Yeah, that's cute. And then I could honestly take this rainbow and put right in there, but I think I'm gonna white out these lines underneath the rainbow. So let's go ahead and do that, because y'all know I'm particular about my lines showing through. Yeah, much better. So I think that's really cute there. So that's like a little cluster. And I could actually come up here at the top. No, I'm not gonna do that much. All right, let's go in with "Give me all the flowers." And I need to get my jelly roll and white out this black line. So let's go ahead and measure that. Like right here down to here. And we'll just get rid of this white line so that it's not breaking up my letters in my little quote. Okay, we'll give that time to dry. So I'm gonna take this Purple Today box and put it over here on Sunday, and then come in the background with some flowers, just like I did on the other side. So we're gonna put, you know what, I probably should have used, I'm gonna switch out the flowers because there's a purple flower on this and I don't want it to like clash with my purple box. So I'm gonna see if I can just peel this up and switch these out. This is why I like the wax paper so much, is because it makes it possible to switch out your stickers. I'm not sure if the Happy Planner sticker placement guides will have that same aspect to them. I highly doubt it, but we'll see. I'll let you know once I get them. Because the wax paper, the wax actually gets onto the sticker and kind of takes some of that adhesive off of there. And that's one of the main reasons I do like the wax paper. I need to look and see when the first day of spring is. I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I'm filming with my phone. I wanna say it's Thursday. So I'm gonna put my Hello Spring on Thursday the 19th, and once I get done filming, if I find out that I'm wrong, I will move this sticker. So don't laugh at me if Thursday is not the first day of spring, because I could be totally wrong. Where do I want to put this? I'm just going to kind of put it like that. So it might be, I don't know what day it is, but if I'm wrong, I'll move it. So my Instagram picture may be totally different. It may be on a different day. All right, let's put this sticker down. And I think I'm going to come in with a rainbow on top of that, because I actually kind of put my quote a little bit too low. I didn't quite center it here. So I'm just going to put this like up here to just kind of break up where I messed up, to kind of cover up my little oopsie where I didn't center that properly. All right, so let's see. I don't know that there's anything else I need to add to this. Trying to see if there's anywhere else I need to add a flower, but I really don't think so. I honestly think this spread is done, so I'm not even going to use this little arrangement. So I technically only used one flower sticker in this whole spread. So let's just put it back in my planner. I know this is kind of a short video, but when it's done, right? So I think this is nice and springy for the first week of spring. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. And if you do hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. So this is it. I thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.